right, welcome to section 6 and project number 2. We're going to be building out a promo video, okay? And this is going to be a promo video that I've already done for an older version of a course. But what we're going to do is we're going to add animation to this. So we're going to take what's already there and we're going to build on top of that, okay? So the very first thing we're going to do is we're going to download the project files. We're going to create a new project, a new composition. We're going to import the project files. We're going to organize the files. And then we're going to do a bunch of tasks one by one. So we're going to add a background, add a logo, animate the logo. We're going to add a main video and B-roll video. Then we're going to edit those. We're going to add a lower third. Then we're going to edit that. Add a title graphic. Well, then we'll animate that. So we're going to be doing a lot of, I'm not going to read everything that we're going to be doing. I'll just show you, okay? So you can see right here, this is what we're going to be doing. All this right here. So it's about 30 videos or so. So the reason why I want to do it one by one is that way you understand each fundamental idea, okay? So that's an overview of what we're going to be doing. And don't worry, I'm going to walk you through everything step by step. We're going to have a lot of fun with this. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.